You just recorded 40 minutes of raw footage. Filler words, false starts, dead air, 3 takes of the same line. Editing that by hand is an afternoon lost in a timeline. There is a faster way. Video Use lets you edit video by talking to a coding agent. Drop footage in a folder, describe the edit, and get a finished cutback. It works with Claude Code, Codex, or any agent with a shell. Open source, from the browser use team. Here's the trick. The LLM never watches the video. It reads it. 1 ElevenLabs. ScribePass turns each clip into word-level timestamps, speakers, and audio events, packed into a 12 kilobyte text file. Same idea as giving an agent a DOM instead of a screenshot, but for video. Out of the box, it cuts filler and dead air, snapping every cut to a word boundary. It color grades each segment, adds 30 millisecond fades so you never hear a pop, and burns 2-word subtitles. It even generates animation overlays with tools like Remotion in parallel sub-agents. It runs as a pipeline. Transcribe, pack, reason out an edit list, render, then self-evaluate. That last step is the clever one. It rechecks the rendered output at every cut, catching jumps, pops, and hidden captions, and re-renders up to 3 times before you see a preview. You stay in control. It inventories your footage, proposes a strategy in plain English, and waits for your OK. It never cuts without approval, and it saves session memory to a project file, so next week it resumes with your cached transcripts and past decisions. The whole idea in one number. Dubbing frames would be 45 million tokens of noise. Video use is 12 kilobytes of text and a few images. Open source, MIT, but not fully local. Bring your own ElevenLabs key and ffmpeg. Start on GitHub, browser use, video use.